Hello everyone. Creating a stylish and cozy home doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform your living space with budget-friendly and easy-to-do home decor projects. Below are some practical, affordable, and easy home decorating ideas, as well as DIY room decor ideas, to help you elevate your home's aesthetic without breaking the bank. 1. Repurpose and upcycle old items. One of the best ways to save money on home decor is to repurpose items you already own or find secondhand. This approach not only helps reduce waste but also adds a unique, personal touch to your home. Old wooden furniture. Sand down and paint old dressers, chairs, or tables to give them a new life. Chalk paint is a popular choice because of its matte finish and ease of use. Glass jars and bottles. Use old glass jars as vases, candle holders, or storage containers. You can paint or add twine and embellishments for a rustic look. Old picture frames. Repaint old frames and use them to showcase new prints, postcards, or artwork, creating a fresh gallery wall without spending much. 2. DIY wall art. Wall art can be expensive, but creating your own is an affordable way to personalize your space. Abstract paintings. Get some blank canvases and acrylic paint. Abstract painting is great for beginners, and you can create something completely unique to match your room's color scheme. Pressed flowers. Collect flowers, press them in a heavy book, and frame them for a beautiful, nature-inspired display. Framed wallpaper or fabric. Purchase a small amount of vibrant wallpaper or fabric and frame it to create custom wall art that ties your room together. 3. Update your pillows and throws. Adding new pillows and throws is one of the easiest and most budget-friendly ways to refresh a room. DIY pillow covers. Buy inexpensive fabric, or even use old t-shirts or blankets, to make new pillow covers. If sewing isn't your forte, use fabric glue or iron-on tape for an easy, no-sew project. Layer throws. Layer different textured blankets or throws over your sofas and chairs to add warmth and coziness to your living space. 4. Add greenery. Plants are an affordable and effective way to liven up any room. Not only do they add a natural, fresh aesthetic, but they can also improve indoor air quality. Houseplants. Succulents, spider plants, and pothos are all low-maintenance plants perfect for indoor spaces. DIY planters. Instead of buying expensive planters, make your own by painting terracotta pots or using old tins and jars as plant holders. 5. Lighting makeover. Lighting is a critical aspect of any room, and changing it can make a significant impact on the overall ambiance. Fairy lights. String up fairy lights for a soft, cozy glow, perfect for bedrooms and living rooms. DIY lamp shades. Customize your lamps by making new shades using fabric, paper, or twine. You can even try adding stencils or decoupage to create unique designs. Candles and candle holders. Candles create a warm and inviting atmosphere. You can make DIY candle holders using items like mason jars, wine bottles, or driftwood. 6. Refresh your walls with temporary solutions. If you're renting or just not ready for permanent changes, consider using temporary decor options for your walls. Peel and stick wallpaper. Easily removable wallpaper allows you to add patterns and color to any wall without long-term commitment. Wall decals. Wall decals are an affordable way to add design elements such as geometric shapes, quotes, or nature motifs to your walls. 7. Create a gallery wall. A gallery wall is a fantastic way to display photos, artwork, and memorabilia, creating a focal point in any room. Mix and match frames. Use a variety of frame styles, colors, and sizes to add visual interest. You can include personal photos, prints, or even DIY artwork. Symmetrical versus eclectic layout. You can either go for a structured layout with evenly spaced frames or mix it up for an eclectic, more creative feel. 8. Incorporate natural elements. Bringing in natural materials can create a calming and warm environment. Wooden accents. Add wooden trays, baskets, or stools to give your home a natural and organic feel. You can easily find these items at thrift stores or repurpose old wooden pieces. Dried flowers and branches. Instead of fresh flowers, use dried flowers or branches in vases for a long-lasting and earthy touch. Stone or concrete decor. DIY stone or concrete planters, candle holders, or trays are trendy and can add a modern touch to your decor. 9. Upgrade your shelving. Shelving is both practical and decorative. It provides storage while also giving you an opportunity to display your favorite items. DIY floating shelves. Floating shelves are a simple DIY project and are great for displaying books, plants, and small decorative objects. Ladder shelving. If you want a rustic look, use an old ladder as a shelving unit. Simply lean it against the wall and place decor items on the rungs. Bookshelf styling. If you have existing bookshelves, rearrange them by adding decorative pieces, plants, and baskets to break up the monotony of rows of books. 10. Personalize with textiles. Textiles play a significant role in making a home feel cozy and inviting. DIY curtains or blinds. If you're handy with a sewing machine, making your own curtains can save money and allow you to choose the exact fabric and style you want. Rugs and carpets. Rugs can dramatically change the feel of a room. Layering smaller rugs can create depth and texture, and using different colors or patterns can add a vibrant touch. 11. Declutter and organize. Sometimes, the most impactful change you can make is decluttering and organizing your space. Baskets and storage boxes. Use baskets and decorative storage boxes to keep things tidy while also adding style. These can be placed under tables, on shelves, or in closets to hide clutter. Creative organizing. Repurpose items like wine crates or old drawers to organize your home office, bathroom, or kitchen. A well-organized space will not only look better but will also help you feel more at peace. 12. Seasonal switches. Switching out decor for the seasons is a simple way to refresh your home throughout the year. Autumn touches. In the fall, add warm-toned throws, pumpkins, and foliage-inspired decor to bring in that cozy autumn feel. Winter decor. For winter, swap out decor for soft blankets, candles, and festive ornaments. Add in winter greenery like pine branches or eucalyptus for a seasonal touch. Conclusion. Transforming your home doesn't have to be expensive or difficult. With these easy and affordable home decorating ideas, you can give your living space a fresh new look without overspending. Whether it's through repurposing old items, DIY projects, or adding simple touches like greenery and textiles, you can create a beautiful and comfortable home that reflects your personal style. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for home decor ideas.